Hello everyone, my name is Clantus and welcome to the Real Clantus Tutorials. So guys, we've got a few things that we need to cover in this video, but first, it turns out it was not an update at all that YouTube did yesterday on the 20th of September 2022 about the new monetization updates that we thought it was going to be. Especially we thought and you speculated and we were doing our calculations, and I even posted a community tab where I was asking you guys to what requirement do you think YouTube should reduce its monetization requirements from 4,000 hours of watch time to what, as well as 1,000 subscribers to what? Well, turns out, that remains the same. But we'll get into those details in this video because, guys, there are some exciting news and there are some things that are going to shock you. And you will think, this is not going to be possible. But it is possible for you to reach these milestones or the goal or the requirement that YouTube is going to demand of you in order for you to monetize alternatively to the 4,000 hours of watch time and the 1,000 subscriber requirement. So I mentioned that YouTube is going to do a major announcement on the 20th of September, and indeed YouTube did not disappoint. They dropped bombshells after bombshells after bombshells, and we were like, what? This is getting very exciting and very interesting as well for YouTube, because I've mentioned, guys, that YouTube is gunning for TikTok viewers as well as content creators. In the next few months, you are going to see a lot of your favorite TikTokers coming onto YouTube. Why? Because YouTube is going to be paying far more than what TikTok is paying, and there will be more opportunities that YouTube is going to be opening to content creators than TikTok does. So as I've mentioned, or as I've predicted, my prediction has come true. YouTube is gunning for TikTok and is gunning for content creators as well as the viewers that TikTok has. So what are these interesting things that YouTube has given us that we are pondering on? We are having discussions amongst each other, panicking, as well as like, hey, is this even possible? Well, here it goes. So let me start with this one that kind of like disappointed me a little bit. So it turns out that the 4,000 hours of public watch time as well as 1,000 subscribers in order for you to become eligible for monetization remains the same. That requirement remains the same for content creators that are doing long form videos. However, since YouTube Shorts has graced our lives on YouTube, so instead of YouTube Shorts having its own YPP requirements, YouTube has decided that it's going to take the YouTube Partner Program as well as the YouTube Shorts monetization and make it into one. Meaning that you are still going to be able to become eligible for monetization for your shorts if you meet 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. However, the alternative way of monetizing your YouTube channel as a small content creator, so that means you don't need the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 hours of watch time, but you are going to need to have 10 million YouTube Shorts views in order for your YouTube channel to become eligible for monetization. 10 million public views. Now, this is where our jaws fell on the floor, because we were like, if I am failing to reach 4,000 hours of watch time, what is 10 million views? Oh, by the way, it gets a little bit better. It's not only 10 million YouTube Shorts public views, but in 90 days. Oh, that one hit me hard like a rock on my chest. I was like, so in 90 days, in order for me to monetize my YouTube channel, I need to reach 10 million YouTube Shorts views. But I think it is attainable because right now the YouTube algorithm, it is very loose when it comes to YouTube Shorts. That means YouTube currently is promoting YouTube Shorts like it has never promoted videos on this platform before. So that is why it's important for you to start right now. If you start today to post YouTube Shorts, by the 22nd of December 2022, you would have reached the YouTube Shorts public views in order for you to monetize your YouTube channel. Or you can do it the old-fashioned way, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. So before I continue with this video, please do me two favors. One, please like this video and also subscribe. Two, by commenting down below, tell me Which one do you think is more easier? The 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, or the 10 million shorts public views? I'm very interested to hear which one do you think you will be able to attain in order for you to monetize your YouTube channel. Once you are accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, then you can run ads along your YouTube videos. Not only you will be able to run ads along your YouTube videos, but you will also have access to all the YouTube income streams like super chats, super stickers, super thanks, as well as channel memberships. And that includes both your YouTube shorts as well as your long form videos. So the other update that YouTube came up with is for small content creators. When I say small content creators, I'm talking about those that are below the 1,000 subscribers. So there's good news for you guys to make money on YouTube. So there are going to be very limited access to the YouTube Partner Program. However, that means you become eligible for the Partner Program if you are able to meet, if you are going to meet a requirement that YouTube has not detailed yet, but will detail in 2023, how you will be able to start making money or YouTube income streams that are available. Those income streams that as I've mentioned is your super thanks, super chats, as well as your channel memberships. However, if you're a small content creator, you will not be qualified to run ads along your YouTube videos, which is not a big deal because you already have early access to the YouTube Partner Program, which you are anyways will be working towards reaching the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 hours of watch time. So in the meantime, you will still be making money while building up to that, because YouTube is going to have, I don't know what the requirements are going to be. I'm hoping it's 100 or 50 subscribers that will unlock early access to the YouTube Partner Program in order for you to start making money on the platform. Once again, the early access to the Partner Program will only be limited to super thanks, super chats, and channel membership. As for the ads, no, you will not be able to run ads. However, YouTube will still be running ads on your YouTube video, though you are not monetized with the two requirements to monetize your YouTube channel. So back to YouTube Shorts. So it turns out that once your channel has become eligible for monetization and you accepted into the YouTube Partner Program and adverts are running along your YouTube Shorts, then how much are you going to be sharing that with YouTube? Currently, if you are doing long form videos, you share ad revenue 55%, 45%. 55% coming to you as a content creator and 45% going to YouTube. But with YouTube Shorts, it is 45%. And it ends there. And YouTube is saying that whether you are going to use popular music or you're not going to use popular music, it remains 45% share. So the reason why you are going to be earning 45% of the revenue is because YouTube has partnered up with music labels, meaning that the music that you are going to be using on your YouTube Shorts, you are going to be sharing the revenue with the artists. However, that's a video on its own that I will drop in the next 2-3 days. So speaking about the 45% revenue that you will be sharing with the artists, this is what YouTube said, and I quote, "From the overall amount allocated to creators, they will keep 45% of the revenue distributed based on their share of total Shorts views. The revenue share remains the same no matter if they use music or not." So whether you use music or not on your YouTube Shorts, which I think you should use the music anyways because you still earn 45% of the revenue. So if you want to know what is the CPM format is going to be for YouTube Shorts, currently none of us know until early 2023. So all of this, guys, is not taking place right now or in the next few weeks. This is going to take place in early 2023. Everything that I've said here is going to start in 2023. So do not go now and use popular songs on your long form videos. You will get hit with a copyright claim or worse, copyright strike for your YouTube video to be taken down or your channel deleted from the platform. I repeat, guys, start creating YouTube Shorts. Start posting YouTube Shorts and make sure that you make banger of YouTube Shorts so that you can reach this 10 million public YouTube Shorts views in order to become eligible for monetization if your YouTube channel is not monetized yet. So I think it's attainable. I really think it's attainable because the YouTube algorithm is extremely loose when it comes to shorts, as YouTube is pushing for short content on its platform. So I'm not saying don't create long form videos. If you feel that you have something to say and it's going to take some time for you to say what you need to say, continue creating long form videos, but on the side also be creating YouTube shorts, because you don't know that short will be that short that gives you 10 million public views that is going to make you become eligible for monetization. And I must also tell you right now, TikTokers are coming to YouTube. The moment they hear about this, they are going to drop TikTok like a hot potato and they will run here on YouTube, because YouTube is opening these doors of opportunities that these TikTokers are looking for. And you are going to be seeing a lot of your favorite TikTokers here on this platform because of the benefits they are going to be getting. So start creating, start moving. Well, that is it, guys. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe and also hit the bell notification so you do not miss out on any of my uploads. And also leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of these new changes that YouTube has embarked upon. Are you shocked? Are you happy? Are you sad? What is your feeling? Let me know. Also, make sure that you like the video and share it as far as you can, especially to YouTube content creators, because I feel we need to get this information first before TikTokers do and they start flooding our platform. I will see you next time with a new video. Goodbye.